What if I told you that you could make up to $600 a day just by typing names online? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, stick around because in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do this and turn your typing skills into a cash cow. Imagine earning a substantial income without leaving the comfort of your home or investing a single penny. Hey everyone, have you ever thought about making up to $600 a day just by typing names online? Yes, you heard that right. Imagine earning a substantial income without leaving the comfort of your home. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how you can do this and turn your typing skills into a money-making machine. Make sure to stick around until the end so you don't miss any crucial steps on how to get started. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on any of my brand new Make Money Online videos. Understanding the earnings. Picture this. You can earn $20 just for typing a single page of names. This means that if you manage to type 5 pages, you could be pocketing $100. Now, imagine scaling this up to 20 pages a day. That's a whopping $400 daily. And if you're really ambitious, typing even more could push your earnings up to $600 a day. The beauty of this opportunity is that there's no upper limit. The more pages you type, the more money you make. This makes it a flexible and scalable way to generate income, depending entirely on how much time and effort you're willing to invest. The concept is simple but effective. Each page contains approximately 300 words, and you get paid 10 cents per word. This straightforward calculation allows you to easily estimate your potential earnings. For instance, if you can type at a reasonably fast pace, completing 20 pages in a day is not only feasible but also highly profitable. The best part is, there's no specialized skill or prior experience required. Anyone with basic typing skills can dive into this opportunity and start earning from day one. Getting started. This opportunity is available to everyone, everywhere, and the best part, it's absolutely free. Whether you're a student, stay-at-home parent, or someone looking for a side hustle, you can tap into this opportunity. You can use your phone or computer, making it super flexible. To start, you'll need to visit TalentDesire.com. This website offers various work-from-home opportunities, but today we're focusing on online typing jobs. It's accessible worldwide, so no matter where you are, you can sign up and start earning. TalentDesire.com is user-friendly and doesn't require any upfront investment. The registration process is straightforward and free, with no hidden fees before or after you join. By offering a wide range of job categories, Talent Desire caters to diverse skill sets and preferences, ensuring there's something for everyone. However, for those who want to start earning immediately without any specialized skills, the online typing jobs are the best option. You can choose your work hours, making it easy to fit this gig into your daily routine. Step-by-step guide. To get started, visit TalentDesire.com and scroll down to explore various job options. While you'll find opportunities in fields like proofreading, freelance blogging, and language translation, our focus today is on online typing jobs. Click on the Online Typing Jobs section to learn more. Here, you'll see that the potential annual income ranges from $13,500 to $27,000. This wide range reflects the flexibility of the job. You can choose to work part-time or full-time depending on your availability and income goals. Next, you'll need to understand the application process. It's crucial to follow each step carefully to ensure your application gets accepted. First, click on the Apply Now button at the bottom of the page. You'll be directed to an online application form. Fill out your personal details, including your name, email, and phone number. Make sure to provide accurate information to avoid any delays or issues with your application. Once submitted, you'll be on your way to receiving daily typing jobs and starting your journey towards making substantial money online. Bonus tip for higher earnings. To maximize your earnings, it's important to get certified. Head over to Ratatype.com and take their free typing test. Click on the yellow icon to start. This website offers a typing certificate upon completion, which is free. The typing test is simple and can be completed in a few minutes. By obtaining this certificate, you'll significantly enhance your chances of getting higher-paying typing jobs on TalentDesire.com. It's a small step that can lead to substantial increases in your income. Having a typing certificate can significantly boost your earnings and improve your acceptance rate on TalentDesire.com. This certificate proves your typing speed and accuracy, making you more competitive. Employers on the platform are more likely to hire you and offer better pay rates if you have verifiable skills. This not only opens up more job opportunities, but also allows you to command higher rates per page. Essentially, this certificate acts as your passport to higher earnings and more consistent job offers. Application process. Once you have your typing certificate from Ratatype.com, it's time to apply on TalentDesire.com. Go back to TalentDesire.com, scroll to the bottom, and click the red Apply Now button. This will take you to the application form where you need to fill out your personal information. Attach your typing certificate to the application to enhance your credibility. Make sure to fill out all fields accurately and completely to avoid any issues with your application. This step is crucial as it determines whether you'll be accepted into the program and start receiving jobs. In the application, you'll also choose how you want to get paid: PayPal, Payoneer, wire transfer, or direct deposit. This flexibility ensures you get your money in the most convenient way. After submitting your application, wait for confirmation. Once accepted, you'll start receiving daily typing jobs. Each page pays $20, and you must submit your work on time to continue getting assignments. This process ensures a steady flow of income as long as you keep up with the job requirements and maintain high accuracy and speed. Maximize your earnings. To ensure you're making the most money possible, choose the most flexible and lucrative payment methods on your Talent Desire application. You can opt for PayPal, Payoneer, wire transfer, or direct deposit. This allows you to receive your earnings in the most convenient and accessible way for you. Make sure to regularly check for new job postings and apply quickly to secure the best opportunities. Staying proactive and consistent will help you build a reliable income stream. Once accepted, you'll start receiving daily typing jobs. Each page pays $20, and you must submit your work on time to continue getting assignments. This not only helps you build a steady income but also establishes a good reputation on the platform. The more reliable you are, the more jobs you'll receive. It's important to manage your time efficiently and prioritize accuracy to maintain a high standard of work. This will ensure you continue to receive high-paying jobs and maximize your earnings potential. If you follow these steps, you can start making money online by simply typing names. But if you're looking for an even easier and faster way to earn a full-time income online, check out my #1 recommendation. Click the first link in the description, enter your email, and I'll send you all the details. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more awesome money-making tips. Check out the next video for more great ways to make money online. See you in the next video. Until next time, goodbye.